The week that was.
Shh! Bridesmaids Daniel and Jade have a big secret.
So we know that we've got these beautiful little hidden doors in our walk-in robes. You can pop them open to capture the depth of the room. So had to go mirrors straight on the other side wall looking back here.
Cool. Well, I only had one request. Our first ensuite wasn't period enough, so I said this time we have to do the fish scales.
And how did that go, Jade?
Daniel wasn't a fan.
That bad, eh, Dan?
Yeah, I just put you on mute.
Are you serious? It's like a big...
So Jade got her fish scales and decided to put them on,
Not one.
but 2 walls.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow, that's really impressive.
Bloody oath it is.
That's beautiful coming through there.
Yeah, definitely the fish scales would be our hero.
Let's hope they hit your 1930s period brief.
Always excited to hear what the judges have to say. It's like my favourite day. I love it. Do you know what? It wouldn't even matter if they told me that my room looked like a paper bag. Take it on board, move on, create another amazing space.
What an entrance.
Yeah.
In through the wardrobe, and what an entrance.
I love that through the looking glass sensation of like walking through a robe door.
Into a jewellery box. Neil exclaimed, "Those fish scale tiles, aren't they beautiful?"
I never thought I would see as much of it as I'm seeing here, and loving it.
In a smaller bathroom, they may be overwhelming, but in here, it just works so well.
They fit this period, they fit the wallpaper outside, they make perfect sense.
Awesome choice. The matte tile on the floor in here, it works so well.
But on the walls, they've gone with a gloss, which gives you that sexy, reflective, glossy, real sense of expense.
And the layout of the showers is very good with the glass.
There's going to be no splash here whatsoever, and they've got drainage on both ends, so nothing's coming towards the centre at all. It's draining back.
And so elegant with the shape of the bath and basins, gives the softness that the room needs.
We were talking about the fish scale tiles, how it sort of curves like that, but then the bath curves like that. Like beautiful, delicate subtleties. You know, we've got lots of hard lines with the tiles and with the marble, but just that softness makes such a difference. What are you laughing at?
One bit of softness Darren wasn't loving was Nana's slippers on the floor.
They're not necessarily that luxurious looking.
No.
They kind of look like Nana's just shuffled in here and she popped them off.
But that was a small thing for him.
They were actually for him.
If he had any real concern, it was probably about the size of the vanity.
You know, I'm looking in the corner here and there is a big sort of volume of empty space. You literally could have added another metre to that vanity. When you're in your own master suite, the opportunities to be able to spread your stuff around. I've got cosmetics for days. I like to spread it all. This takes a lot of work, okay?
Today was proving to be a very tough day for the judges. The tiling is exceptional. The paintwork is excellent as usual.
There's no sense of hurry.
This is another really terrific bathroom. Okay, that's it. Well done. Well done.
And all we can say is that, you know, if not for the camaraderie and the support, the friendships that we're making between contestants, you know, we wouldn't have got through this week. You know, that's what's super important. I think that's what did it.